Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing the biggest and most powerful trucks in the world. These incredible machines are not just huge and powerful, but they also come with impressive price tags and are known for their brute strength. Let's dive into the world of these engineering marvels. First, let's take a look at some of the titans in the mining industry. Caterpillar 797F. This giant mining truck is known for its massive load capacity and durability. It's designed to handle the toughest mining conditions. Belaz 75710. The largest mining truck in the world, it can haul enormous loads, making it essential for large-scale mining operations. Komatsu 980E4. Renowned for its high performance and reliability, this truck is perfect for demanding mining tasks. Liebherr T284. A powerhouse in the mining world, it offers exceptional efficiency and strength, capable of handling the heaviest loads. Hitachi EH5000AC3. Combining power and advanced technology, this truck is designed for heavy-duty mining, ensuring maximum productivity. Next, we explore some high-tech powerhouses in the trucking world. Volvo FH16. Known for its advanced technology and powerful engine, it's a favorite among long-haul truckers. Scania R730. This truck combines luxury with brute strength, featuring one of the most powerful engines available. Mercedes-Benz Actros. A leader in innovation and comfort, it offers top-notch performance and efficiency, making it a top choice for heavy-duty transport. Kenworth W990. Renowned for its classic design and powerful performance, it's popular among truckers who demand the best. Peterbilt 389. Known for its durability and power, this truck is a favorite in the long-haul trucking industry. Now, let's look at some of the most expensive trucks in the world. Mack Titan. This high-performance truck comes with a hefty price tag and is known for its power and reliability. Western Star 6900. Built for extreme hauling tasks, this truck is designed to handle the toughest conditions, making it one of the priciest options. Freightliner Cascadia. With its advanced features and comfort, this truck offers a perfect blend of performance and luxury. International Lone Star. With its unique design and powerful engine, it stands out as one of the most expensive trucks on the market. MAN TGXD38. Combining efficiency with brute strength, this truck offers advanced technology and a powerful engine, making it a top-tier choice. Check out these trucks known for their brutal power and performance. Volvo VNL 860. Known for its powerful engine and exceptional performance, it's designed for demanding long-haul tasks. Kenworth T880. Built for the toughest jobs, this truck offers incredible power and reliability, making it a favorite in construction and mining industries. Peterbilt 579. Combining power with efficiency, this truck is designed for optimal performance in long-haul operations. Mack Anthem. With its powerful engine and advanced features, it offers exceptional performance and durability. Freightliner Coronado. A powerhouse in the trucking world, known for its strength and reliability, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Finally, let's take a look at some futuristic trucks that are set to revolutionize the industry. Tesla Semi. Combining electric power with advanced technology, this truck promises incredible efficiency and performance. Nikola One. An innovative hydrogen electric truck designed for zero-emission long-haul transport, showcasing the future of sustainable trucking. Freightliner eCascadia. A fully electric truck designed for heavy-duty tasks, offering a glimpse into the future of electric transport. Volvo VNR Electric. Combining Volvo's advanced technology with electric power, this truck is designed for efficient and sustainable transport. Hyundai Xcient Fuel Cell. A hydrogen-powered truck designed for long-haul transport, showcasing the future of clean energy in trucking. These trucks represent the pinnacle of power, performance, and innovation in the trucking industry. If you enjoyed this look at the biggest and most powerful trucks in the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.